afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking.
That was easy.
Mr. Easy, can I do my introductions? You know what? I don't mess with you. Man, what a
Nerd.
what a
Bonehead.
what a
Loser.
how do you like it, Mr. Easy? Huh? Yeah, I got you back, didn't I? All right now. All right, guys. I have got me a Caribbean, is that what it is? CARBINE, carbine. Case hardened, shackle hardened. This is the bidding on the key. And let us try counting because I always mess up. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm pretty sure there's 6 in here. What do you think? Okay. And let us see what we can do about opening Mr. Carbine. I can also get my carbine out and blow it apart, but nah. This is not a gun channel. Alright, I got that pretty good. I'm going to be using 2 custom picks here. A short hook and like a, I guess that's a divorce diamond, small one. And 1.2 millimeter tench wrench should fit in that big old opening. It's a little sloppy. Let's see if this makes any difference. Yeah, it's a little tighter. Okay, it's a little sloppy, but I'll go with it. I'm going to go with the diamond first, and I am really, really too close. Let's try it right there. We're in camera. I'm just about to touch the camera. I got to move back. Pan out a little bit. Okay, got the light on it. Here we go. Where's my wrench? I don't know if it says. Okay, there we go. Are we rolling? We are rolling. Here we are. See if I can go off this ledge right here. Beautiful. One feels good. 2 just... There we go, 2. Three. That was 4. 5. 6 feels good. Think I'm going with a taller pick. Deeper hook. There you go. That's 1. Got a little movement in my fingers. 2. Nice. That was 2. 3. 4 is good. 5 seems to be good. 6. Got a little movement there. Alright. Back to beginning. 1. 2's binding. Nice little movement there. Okay. 3. Lighten up my tension a little. There we go. That fell right in. 4. Lighten up a little bit. There we go. 5. Feels good. And that was 6. Right there. Beginning. 1. See that? Woo! That was a good movement there. 2. 3. Nice little click there. 4. Come on. Wait. Wait up on the tension. There we go. There we go. 5. I think that was 4. Yeah. Let me just make sure. Yeah. 6. 5. I'm on 5. Binding. Got a little movement out of that. And 6. There we go. That was 6. Got some more movement out there. A little teeny false set going. I don't remember as I just pulled these locks off my shelf. I'm pretty sure they're challenge locks from way, way back. 2. 3. Nice. 4 is binding. Nice. 5. Up and on 6. Very thin pick here. I don't want to give it too much of a bend. I do not want to bend this pick. 1. 2 is binding again. Lighten up my tension. And that's why you need a tension wrench. There we go. That fits really snug. Am I still running? I'm still running. Keep on seeing that app pop up. I think it was 2, 3. Okay. 4. Got some movement there. I think. 5. And 6. Beginning. I gotta pull this power cord because I'm hitting it. Here we go. Go up a little bit. Okay. 1. 2. Look at that. I got a little movement. I got a false set going on this. 2. 3. 4. Nothing on 4. 5. That was 5 and 6. Something fell. Wasn't keeping steady pressure on it, but I got a nice false set going. It's like this now, if you can see. Let's try this again, see what I dropped. Looks like maybe 1. There we go. 2 is down 2. 3 feels good. 4 is binding. Alright. 5. 6. Beginning. 1. 2 is binding. Nice. 3. 4. Oh, my hands are getting tired. 4, 5. Sorry about that. The camera just decided to shut off. I was on 6. I got a great false set going. I don't know what's holding me up here. 1 is good. 2 feels good. 3. I think it's binding. Lighten up my tension. Okay. 4. 5 is good. And 6. I got you, baby. Now you can chime in, Mr. Easy. All right.
That was easy.
You got to pay attention, man. You need a new pair of hearing glasses. I know you can't see. I don't know what those are, but woo! I did it again. Let me see what we got going here. That was great. I was going to say the bad word. There it is. Carbine. Pick open. Tough lock. That was tough. I'm going to set it right here. Stay so you can see. Down, down, down. Alright. Get my pinning tray. Pull aside. What do we need to get into this? Probably a Phillips. Let's see what I put in this a long time ago. There it is. Nice big cylinder. I like that. And get these little screws off. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. Oh man, everything went flying on that one. Yep. That's the one I want. Dang camera. We need I don't know if this is going to be good. Get this in there. No problems, please. No problems. Okay, got that. There's my shim. Alright, let's see what we have. One. Ooh. Nice serrated, nice spool. Tapered down spool. 2. Same thing. Nice tapered down spool. 3. Sorry about that. This is a serrated spool. Okay, a serrated pin. Yeah, that does have it. I'll show you that number 3 in a minute. There you go. Ooh, another one of my pointy ones. And 6. Yep. I think I did well on those. Those are going to have to be shown. Let me see what I got in there. Oh yeah, all kinds of good stuff in here. I can see, let's get a zoom. Okay. This is threaded and undercut. Definitely undercut and threaded. 3, nothing there. 4, definitely undercut with threads. This is definitely undercut with threads. And 6 is definitely undercut with threads. I think you can see those very well. The only one that has nothing done is number 3. Cool. Let's see what we got in here. I need a tweezer. You took out the shim, yeah. Right, here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wants to shoot. Number 1. A very nice serrated pin. A metal tough spring there. That was a springer. Number 2. Another one that wants to shoot out. Pick it out that way. I'm going to let you guys see at the end because I cut my own pins, but I don't know what to call them. Another tough metal spring. Oh, that shot out. I'd say just like that. Spring is a little sticky in there. Let me see if I can pull it out from here. There we go. Very tough springs. I don't know where I got those springs from, but I like them. Okay, another serrated pin. Yeah. Another one of my pointy pins. And I believe I had that one in there like that. That was that spring. And we got one more in there. Should turn it around, but I'm there already. Whoop. Yeah, we got 2 springs stuck. There they are. Well, I like this challenge, Locks, and let me see if I did anything to the core. I don't think so. I should have. Nothing. Nothing. Yeah, I'm saying nothing done. Nothing done to that. Alright. We are zoomed, I think. Let me give you a close-up of what we got here. Zoom. Alright. I'm going to try doing this through the camera. And there's a hair on the camera. Where am I? What a nice little spool. A double serrated pin. A spool on the top with a serration on the bottom. A serrated pin. A serrations on micro serrations on the fatter part, and it's into like a little point. And this one is just a tapered down little spool in here. That's all that one is. We got a serrated pin here. Multi serrations there, multi serrations in this one. Same thing with number 3. It's got a sharp top with a little serration on the top. This is the serrated pin. And if you know what to call my pins, go ahead and name them. This is just a big serration and a little serration into a point. And what I'm hoping to do was, if I can do it through the camera, never mind, I'm going to screw it up. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do, make it go tip to tip and make it a little bit harder. Last pin is just a serrated pin. All the springs are the same, really tough springs, really kind of oily. That's what I got. That's what I did. This is the Carbine 6-pin lock. Tough little lock. Very, very tough. Thanks for watching, guys. I really, really appreciate it. Love all my subscribers. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. And I should do a giveaway pretty soon. I don't know why. I don't know where I'm at. I got to look. Thank you, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.